Good morning. I'm going to show you this morning how to make a volcanic lemon. So you need a lemon cut in half, some washing up liquid, some water, some food colouring, and the most important thing, some bicarbonate soda or baking powder. Once you've cut your lemon in half, using an old spoon or anything you like, you need to take the end of it and make the lemon as pulpy as you can. Then you need to get your food colouring and put a couple of drops in the segments. Green and red. There we are. Next you need to add a bit of washing up liquid. And then give it another bit of pulping with your spoon, mix it all together. The washing up liquid doesn't do anything for the reaction, it just makes it a bit more fun. Next you need to get your teaspoon and add some baking soda to the lemon. You'll see it's beginning to froth up already. Next, take your wooden spoon again and pulp it up again to get all that baking powder mixed up with the lemon and the food colouring. As you can see, it's already beginning to erupt. You've already got your volcanic lemon, and if we add some water, it should go a bit further. Keep pulping it. Keep seeing how much of an eruption you can get. The more baking powder you use and the more you pulp it, the bigger your volcano will be. Add a bit more. And a bit more water. There you are. Enjoy your volcanic lemons.